all the 5 reactive intermediates. But we are knowing in this lesson only C minus. C minus means carbanion. What are the carbanion in intermediate synthesis? ఓకేనా, కాంపౌండ్ సింథసిస్ లో కార్బన్ అనేది ఏ విధంగా ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లాగా ఉంటుంది అనేది గురించి మనం నేర్చుకుంటాం. ఓకే, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద 3 యూనిట్ ఫ్రమ్ కవర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ బ్లాక్ టు ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
సో వీఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ ఆల్డిహైడ్స్ అండ్ కీటోన్స్. నేను చెప్పిన ఆల్డిహైడ్స్ అండ్ కీటోన్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ కార్బోనైల్ కాంపౌండ్స్. ఓకేనా, కార్బోనైల్, టేక్ ద పేపర్ అండ్ జస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ యూ నోట్ దట్ రఫ్లీ. ఓకేనా, carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound is nothing but they are commonly called aldehydes and ketone. They are called carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound means C double bond O. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, C double bond O. Left side bond, right side bond. Simple గా C double bond O. If left side is R, right side is H, that is aldehyde. If left side alcohol, right side alkyl group. అంటే R C double bond O H is aldehyde. R C double bond O R, it is ketone. Listen, C double bond O is carbonyl compound. If C double bond O contain left side alkyl group, right side hydrogen, that is aldehyde. Left side alkyl, right side alkyl, 2 alkyl groups are contained, that is ketone. Yes sir?
Yes sir.
R C double bond O H is aldehyde. R C double bond O R, it is ketone. Both are called carbonyl compound. Both are called carbonyl compound.
Carbonyl compound.
Carbonyl compound. From this lesson, what are the contents we have to study? The objectives, introduction, and nomenclature. What are how the nomenclature is called, aldehydes, and general methods preparation for. These are the important. See this. 4.3.
Okay, sir.
They ask like this. They ask the question already. మీకు ఇంత ముందు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లో ఉంచిన general preparation methods for aldehydes. ఇచ్చాడు a question. See this.
Yes sir.
Question number
3.
Okay. Question number 3.
Yes.
Okay. Write any 3 preparation for aldehydes. Any 3 రాయాలి. Any 3. ఓకేనా, లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ అయినా షార్ట్, ఈజీగా 3 గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అంతే. ఓకే, జనరల్ మెథడ్స్ ఫర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్డిహైడ్స్ అండ్ కీటోన్స్. బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్, రెండిటికి ఒకటే రకంగా ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ 4.4 chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. So listen, chemical properties is nothing but see the reactions, name reactions. 4.1, what is the name reaction? Kenijaro reaction, Clemmensen reduction, Meerwein-Ponra reduction, Tollens test, benzoin condensation, Beckmann rearrangement, Wolff-Kishner reduction, Perkin aldol. So these all are comes under chemical properties. Okay na, these are short questions as well as long questions, and also chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Okay na, so you have to study these questions. You useful for chemical properties as well as short questions. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
See the summary and check your so and so model questions. So nothing but, so we have covered the general preparation methods for aldehydes and ketones, chemical properties of aldehydes, ketones, and what are the nomenclature. Okay?
Okay sir.
See, introduction simple. ఇదంతా అవసరం మనకు. ఆల్డిహైడ్ అంటే చూడండి, ది కార్బోనైల్ గ్రూప్ అని ఉందా, 4.1 కార్బోనైల్ గ్రూప్ C double bond O. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Is the characteristic functional group present in aldehydes and ketones. ఆ C double bond O present aldehyde లో ఉంటది, ketone లో ఉంటది. Both are present. In case of aldehyde, carbonyl carbon linked with hydrogen. See this. ఉందా, bond C double bond O H or CHO. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Or C double bond O H or C double bond O H or CHO is the aldehyde. కింద చూడండి, R C double bond O R, it is a ketone. Okay. So these are called carbonyl compounds. Okay.
Okay sir.
So 1 minute. See, these are the roughly nomenclature. They don't ask what is what is the question is. They ask like this. See, question number 6. See, what is formaldehyde? Can you expect? A, B, C, D. Which is
B,
option is
sir.
correct?
B.
B.
B, sir.
ఓకేనా సింపుల్ గా CHO ఆల్ ఎయిడ్ అని కనిపిస్తుంది కదా. ఆల్ ఎయిడ్ అంటే యూ హావ్ టు రైట్ C double bond OH or CHO is ఆల్ ఎయిడ్.
That was
ఓకేనా హియర్ దేర్ ఆర్ టూ CHO. దేర్ ఆర్ టూ CHO.
2
CH3
CHO.
CHO HCHO అంటే C and D are not correct. Simple గా you have to remove two answers easily. But A, B is it is similar. This is also CHO
Yes, sir.
group. This is also, but CH3 CHO is acetaldehyde. HCHO is formaldehyde. Yes or no?
Formaldehyde. Yes, sir.
Simple. They ask what is aldehyde? How to show aldehyde group? Question like this. How to show aldehyde group? How to show RCHO? How to show ketone group? R C double bond O R.
One.
Right. So they ask like the simple questions in your match the following or bits or fill in the blanks. Match the following or fill in the blanks. They ask aldehyde show functional group like this. RCHO, RCOOH, RNH2, so and so. What is the answer? RCHO is aldehyde, RC
CHO.
double bond O R ketone. Clear?
Ketone, sir. Okay, sir.
If C double bond O contain only one R group, that is aldehyde, both R groups, that is ketone. Simple logic. Okay? See the examples. See the box. Anpisunda IPAC names.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is HCHO. HCHO is a common name is formaldehyde, but IMAC name is
Methanol.
Methanol.
that is not all, that is all. That is mistake.
Methanol.
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 HCHO means, see the name end with all. The name end with
All.
in aldehydes AL. The name end with AL. Only one carbon is there. That is meth. Aldehyde group
Nol.
is there. All. Methanol. Methanol. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Then CH3CHO. That is acetaldehyde. Common name. How many carbons are there? CH3CHO. 2. 2 means
Two carbons.
Eth plus all. Eth plus single bond is there. Eth carbon
No.
carbon single bond is there. N eth plus N plus all. Aldehyde కాబట్టి all. Eth N all. ఏమైతుంది? Ethanol. IUPAC name ethanol. Then how many carbons are there? Third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Valid aldehyde or you have to say simple pentanol. 5 means pent. Carbon carbon single bond. N aldehyde functional group is end. Al. Pent N all. Pentanol. Simple. Clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
So this is like the name nomenclature. So like this. Just you have to see C double bond O H or CHO. It is aldehyde functional group. C double bond O. Left side alkyl group, right side alkyl group. That is ketone.
Ketone.
Okay. Okay, clear?
Clear.
Okay, sir.
సో దిస్ ఇస్ అంటే రఫ్ గా, ఎందుకంటే మనకు ఓన్లీ 6 hours ఉంది రఫ్ గా, అందుకే జనరల్ రఫ్ గా చెప్పేస్తున్నాను. 6 hours లో అన్ని లెసన్ చెప్పాలంటే పాసిబుల్ కాదు. జస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ గా కవర్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir.
సో సి ద క్వశ్చన్ ఆస్క్ లైక్ దిస్: జనరల్ మెథడ్స్ ఫర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్డిహైడ్స్ అండ్ కీటోన్స్. రాసా క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది కదా, రైట్ ఎనీ 3 methods ఫర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్డిహైడ్స్. ఆల్డిహైడ్స్ అండ్ కీటోన్ ఆర్ బోత్ సేమ్. సింపుల్, ఒక హైడ్రోజన్ అనేది యాడ్ చేస్తే, ఒక ఆల్కైల్ గ్రూప్ యాడ్ చేస్తే కీటోన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. దీంట్లోనే వస్తుంది చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ ప్రిపరేషన్ మెథడ్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రిపరేషన్ మెథడ్స్? జస్ట్ యూ హావ్ టు రైట్ ద రఫ్లీ. ఆక్సిడేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కహాల్స్. Oxidation of alcohol. You have to study only 3 enough. Don't go for test paper. You go for book. Here also page number.
Okay.
You have received books?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you have received books అయితే బుక్ ముందట పెట్టుకోండి, టిక్ పెట్టుకోండి. ఏది చెప్తున్నానో అది మాత్రం చదవండి. ఓకే?
Okay.
See the oxidation of alcohols. You know that what is oxidation? Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, increase oxidation number and loss of electron. It is known as oxidation. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. వాట్ ఈస్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ మీన్స్ అడిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్, అంటే ఆక్సిజన్ కలపడం, రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ తీసేయడం, ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ నంబర్ పెరగడం, ఆర్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్. ఓకేనా? the loss of electron. These are 4 considered as oxidation. Simple. These are reverse to the reduction. What is reduction? Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, gain of
Decrease of-
electron, decrease oxidation number. Just you remember only oxidation, that is exactly reverse to the reduction. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. See, alcohols are oxidized by acidified potassium dichromate. Oxidation of primary alcohol gives aldehydes, whereas the secondary alcohol gives ketone. Simple. These are both methods for using for aldehydes and ketones. Okay. See, what is the RCH2OH? What is the functional group in this RCH2OH? Which functional group is there? Alcohol. Yes or no?
Alcohol, sir. OH.
Alcohol, sir.
Alcohol in presence of potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. The potassium dichromate is a powerful oxidizing agent. Powerful oxidizing agent. What is
Oxidizing
oxidizing means? What is the changes is involved in this? See, RCH2OH converted into like RCHO. RCHO. What are the changes occurred in here? Which changes occurred? Addition of oxygen is occurred.
Remove the group. Yes, sir.
Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which reaction occurred? Tell me. Oxygen add in, yeah?
Oxidation, sir.
Okay, oxidation is correct. Here in this reaction, what are the changes? Addition of oxygen is there or removal of hydrogen? Which reaction is considered?
Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen.
Okay, see, just here removal of hydrogen is possible. Here RCH2OH, how many hydrogens?
Yes, sir.
Two hydrogens.
Only removing only hydrogen, sir.
3 hydrogens are there.
Hydrogens are removed, sir.
Here aldehyde, how many hydrogens? RCHO.
Only one hydrogen.
Only one hydrogen.
Your 3 is decreased as 1. 3 hydrogens considered as 1. Means here the reaction, hydrogens are removed. This is also oxidation.
Yes.
Okay, na? The reaction is addition of oxygen also oxidation, removing of hydrogen also oxidation, loss of electron also, and increase oxidation number also. Both ఏదైనా జరగవచ్చు. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Okay. See, this is general reaction. See the primary alcohol CH3OH. That is a methanol. That is methanol. This is methanol. ఇది alcohol ki ol, aldehyde ki al. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Okay.
Okay, sir.
CH3OH in presence of K2Cr2O7 acid considered as HCHO. CH3OH, how many hydrogens are there?
4, sir.
4. HCHO, how many hydrogens are there? 2. Means
2.
hydrogens are removed in these reactions. Hydrogens are removed. So oxidation is possible. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is CH3CHO considered as HCHO formaldehyde and benzyl alcohol converted into benzaldehyde. Okay, here, these are all are primary alcohol. Sir, what is primary alcohol means? OH is attached with only one carbon atom. OH is attached with only primary carbon.
One carbon atom.
Alcohol. If secondary carbon attached, that is secondary alcohol. See that secondary alcohol. 2 propanol. You are observing the reaction?
Yes, sir.
CH3, CH, CH3. Second carbon మీద ఏముంది? OH ఉంది. ఉందా?
Yes, sir.
The 2 propanol considered as C double bond O. Okay, na? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. That is acetone. That is nothing but ketone. Yes or no?
Ketone. Yes, sir.
అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏంది? Both are prepared. Primary alcohol or aldehydes are formed. Secondary alcohol, ketones are formed. This is number 1 preparation method. Very simple.
Yes, sir.
You have to just remember the 2 propanol reaction and CH3OH. Just you have to write these 2 enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
next
sir.
one, what is dehydrogenation of alcohol? Second preparation method, dehydrogenation. What is dehydration means?
Removing of
hydrogen.
Dehydration. Means summer dehydration. Removing of water is dehydration.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dehydrogenation means removing of H2. removing of H2. Hydrogens are removed. Dehydrogenation of alcohol. From which compound? Alcohols. From alcohol, we are removing H2. Removing. Dehydrogenation of alcohol results the formation of carbonyl compounds. When the vapors of primary alcohols are passed over hot copper metal, aldehyde is obtained. In the case of secondary alcohol, the product is ketone. Same like this. ఓకేనా, ఇది సేమ్ చూడండి. ఓకేనా, చూడండి RCH2OH RCH అయిందా?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
సో హియర్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ పొటాషియం డైక్రోమేట్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం, ఇక్కడ కాపర్ మెటల్ హీట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా, ఆల్కహాల్ ఇస్ పాస్డ్ త్రూ కాపర్ మెటల్, ద హీట్ removing of H2, the formation of aldehyde. Primary alcohol is aldehydes, secondary alcohol is ketone. Yes sir.
Ketone. Yes sir.
Just you have to put a mark from second and fourth. Simple. In your notebook, just write. You have to study these two only. Enough. Okay.
Okay sir.
So this
sir,
is
dehydrogenation means removal of H2.
Removal. D means remove. Listen,
Yes.
simple. D means dehydration, removing of water.
Yes.
Dehalogenation, removing of H2. And halogens are removed. Dehydrohalogenation, removing of HCl. Decarboxylation, removing of CO2. Dehydrogenation, removing of H2. Clear? D means simple removing. D means simple removing. So are you understanding clear? All of you?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So this is second method, and you have to write any in examination pattern. They ask like just three methods. Okay, 3 methods preparation and 3 chemical properties. Okay, just you have to study any 3 enough. See, using Grignard reagent. Alkenes from acid halides. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఎనీ ఇంట్లో నుంచి ఏదైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు అండి. Grignard reagent. So see, simple. మీరు అక్కడ నోట్బుక్ కూడా రాసుకోండి. Grignard is nothing but what is Grignard means? RMGX. RMGX is known as Grignard reagent. RMGX is nothing but alkyl magnesium halides. Grignard reagent. R means alkyl, Mg means magnesium, X means halogens. Yes sir.
Halogen. Yes sir.
So see the matter. Reaction of Grignard with orthoesters affords aldehydes and ketones. When ethyl orthoformate reacts with Grignard, aldehydes are obtained. If other orthoesters are used to product a ketone. See the first reaction. H, OET. These are all esters. Okay na? Just reaction with RMGX, it gives simple ga R అనేది వస్తుంది. Okay na? R C double bond O H. And if in the place of H we add just alkyl group RMGX, the ketone is formed. Clear?
Yes sir.
So this is, and another one from alkenes. This is also simple method. You have to remember this one. If any difficult in Grignard, you go for this one. See, alkenes on ozonolysis form carbonyl compound. Ozonolysis of symmetrical alkenes serve as a valuable method for preparation of RC double bond. You know that alkenes means carbon double bond carbon. Alkenes. Carbon single bond carbon is alkanes. Carbon triple bond is alkyne. Okay.
Alkynes, sir.
Alkene treated with O3. Here, any reaction, O3 is there, the reaction is confirmed ozonolysis. Okay, now the reaction is confirmed, that is ozonolysis. See, the addition of oxygen. Ozonolysis is nothing but addition of oxygen. See this, 2 moles. Ikkada emantayi R C double bond R. Reaction with O3 in presence of water and zinc metal. Here, 2 moles of ketones are formed. 2 moles of ketones R C double bond O R. Simple method. Or from acid halides. Chepna nenu. What is the acid halides? It is the derivatives of carboxylic acid. Chepna entamandu syllabus cheppinappudu carboxylic acid and derivatives. Acid halides is one of the derivative of One of the derivative of acid halides is carboxylic acid. Okay. See, in this acid chloride reduced with hydrogen in presence of palladium barium sulfate, catalyst gives oleate. The reaction is called, see, important reaction, put the mark, Rosenmund reduction. This is short answer question. ఓకేనా, మార్క్ చేసుకోండి అక్కడ. రోజన్మండ్ రిడక్షన్ అని హెడ్డింగ్ పెట్టుకోండి. మీ దగ్గర బుక్ ఉంటే ఫ్రమ్ యాసిడ్ హాలైడ్ దగ్గర రోజన్మండ్ రిడక్షన్. ఓకే, చూడండి, పెల్లాడియం బేరియం సల్ఫేట్. ఓకేనా, పెల్లాడియం బేరియం సల్ఫేట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ రోజన్మండ్ రిడక్షన్. సి ఆర్ సి డబల్ బాండ్ ఓ సిఎల్, ఆర్ సి డబల్ బాండ్ ఓ సిఎల్. దిస్ is acid chloride in presence of H2. In presence of H2 means oxidation or reduction? Reduction. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చింది చూడండి, in this acid chloride is reduced. Reduced means reduction. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమైతుంది? ఓకే, ఇక్కడ హైడ్రోజన్ అనేది యాడ్ అవుతుంది సార్. చూడండి, సిఎల్ ప్లేస్ లో ఏమొచ్చింది? హైడ్రోజన్ వచ్చిందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఆర్ సి డబల్ బాండ్ ఓ హెచ్ సిఎల్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కింద చూడండి, బెంజోయిల్ క్లోరైడ్ C6H5 C double bond O Cl in presence of H2 palladium barium sulfate. సేమ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా బెంజాలియేట్ అని వచ్చింది. అంటే దీన్ని సింపుల్ గా మనం ఆలియేట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయొచ్చు సార్, సింపుల్ గా. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ
tell in English, sir.
ఓకే, రైట్. ఫ్రమ్ యాసిడ్ హాలైడ్, సో యాసిడ్ హాలైడ్, దిస్ ఇస్ బెంజోయిల్. సెకండ్ వన్ ఇస్ బెంజోయిల్ క్లోరైడ్. Benzoyl chloride treated with H2 in presence of palladium barium sulfate, which it gives which one, aldehyde or ketone?
Ketone. Sorry, aldehyde, sir.
Simple reaction. See this, C double bond O, adjacent is one hydrogen is there, that is aldehyde. If two alkyl groups are there, that is ketone. Simple logic. Okay, so this is aldehyde, benzaldehyde is formed plus HCl is formed. This reaction is called Rosenmund reduction. Rosenmund reduction. Reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogens or takes place. Addition of hydrogens or removing of oxygen. Anyone is considered as reduction. Addition of hydrogens or removing of oxygens are called reduction. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
These are the chemical preparation methods. What is first method is oxidation of alcohols. Second is dehydrogenation of alcohols. Third is using Grignard. Fourth from alkenes. Fifth from acid halides. You have to write any 3 out of 5.
Okay, sir.
Which is simple, you go for it.
First
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just write next question. Write the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Write the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. See, direct chemical properties. Very, very important. Very, very important. See, addition of Grignard is nothing. Okay. Addition of ammonia is important. For short answers, you have to put the mark. Addition of ammonia and amines. Addition of ammonia and amines. Number of reactions are there. See, from bottom, these are reactions. These are Kenijaro and Clemenson, Mirwin, Pandraf, Tollens, Benjoin, Beckman, Wolff-Kirchner, Perkin, Aldal, all are the chemical properties. Okay, na? They ask the direct question like, write the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. You have to write from this any 3. Any 3. Or they ask direct question, explain about aldol condensation with mechanism and Perkin reaction, direct, and what is Beckman rearrangement, and what is Wolff-Kirchner rearrangement, and what is benzoin condensation, and what is Clemenson, Mirwin. They are large individual, and individual are chemical property. You have to write any 3 or 4 from this all the reactions. Okay. This is important for addition of ammonia. See, you know that ammonia NH3. Clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Ammonia and other compounds containing an amino group react with nucleophiles. Amino group is react with, and ammonia is dissolved as NH2 minus H plus. You know that HCl, we dissolve in the solid, in the solvent, it dissociate like this, H plus Cl minus. Yes or no? NaCl, sodium chloride. What is a sodium chloride? It is a salt. Do you know that?
Yes.
If salt is dissolved in water,
Yes,
what
sir.
the change is? Na plus Cl
Cl
minus
minus.
H2O, H plus OH minus. This is also Na plus Cl minus, Cl plus NaO, H plus OH, OH minus Cl, like nucleophile. In this also ammonia, NH2 minus H plus.
H
Minus is nothing but nucleophile, plus charge is nothing but electrophile. Okay, na?
Okay,
So NH2 minus. And again, ammonia and other compounds containing amino group. Amino group is nothing but NH2. React as nucleophile. It acts as a nucleophile. What is the nucleophile character? Nucleophile is attacked at electrophilic carbon. Nucleophile attack at electrophilic carbon and form new carbon-carbon bond. New carbon-carbon bond. This is the electrophilic character. But here ammonia acts as a nucleophile. Aldehydes form unstable addition products with ammonia. These called aldehydes ammonia. See this. RC double bond OH. It is aldehyde reaction with ammonia. Ammonia is NH3, NH2 minus and H plus. NH2 minus and H plus. ఈ NH2 minus అనేది it is a attack at C double bond O ఉంది కదా కార్బన్. Here C double bond O attack at carbon. ఓకేనా? O converted into O minus. O minus is nothing but H. ఇక్కడ చూపించడానికి వస్తలేదు. చూడండి. R C double bond O H. Are you observing? R C double bond O H?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here ammonia dissociate like NH2 minus H plus. NH2 minus H plus. NH2 minus attack at carbon and H plus attack at oxygen. See the product. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So NH2 minus is a nucleophile. H plus is like proton. Okay, na? See, clear. In the place of R, we are adding CH3, C double bond OH. Simple. That is general reaction. This is one of the example. Okay.
Okay.
See. So these are the very, very important reaction. You see the last one. See the last one. Hydrazine, phenyl hydrazine, hydroxylamine hydrochloride, and semi-carbonate hydrochloride. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are important. You have to write these 4. Addition of ammonia. They ask like the short answer question. Write the reactions involving aldehyde and ketones with ammonia. This is the answer. Okay, na? C double bond O. C double bond O. So 1 minute. Okay. So clear? వినిపిస్తుందా? See, addition of ammonia is the properties. This is you clearly observing that C double bond O, carbon has 2 single bonds. We put the R and H, that is aldehyde. We put 2 R alkyl groups, that is ketone. Simple. Both are properties for aldehydes and ketones. Okay, na? These properties are both for aldehydes and ketones. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now see, C double bond O reaction with hydrazine, NH2, NH2. Okay, now NH2, NH2. Simple. The reaction is loss of H2O. From hydrazine, the loss of H2. From carbonyl compound, loss of O. Yes or no? See the product in. See the product. C double bond N NH2. Yes or no? Plus
Yes, sir.
H2O. Plus H2O. Hydrazine converted into hydrazone. Means
Zone.
it is react with which one? Carbonyl compound. It reaction with ketone కాబట్టి hydrazine converted into hydrazone. Simple. పైన చదవండి ఒకసారి. See the matter. Both aldehydes and ketone reaction with other compound containing has primary amino group. Carbonyl compounds, the alpha react with hydrazine, phenylhydrazine, hydroxylamine, and semi-carbonate, giving corresponding hydrazone, phenylhydrazone, oxime, and semi-carbozones. Okay, now these are the reactive and they are the product. See the second one, same like this. C double bond O, reaction with phenylhydrazine. Okay, now paina unnadi enti? In top one, hydrazine. In place of one hydrogen, we adding which group? One phenyl group. Like see, NH2, NH, C6H5. That is C6H5 nothing but phenyl. NH, NH2 is hydrazine. Like phenyl hydrazine. Here also, the loss of which molecule?
Hydrogen. Sorry.
Same H2O.
Water.
Same,
Water.
anni kuda same. All the reactions are same. From this seed H2O, lossing and phenyl hydrazine is converted into phenyl hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazone.
Zone.
See, third reaction, hydroxylamine. OH is hydroxy group. NH2 means amine. Yes or no?
Amine.
Hydroxylamine, as it is same like this, C double bond O, loss of again H2 from hydroxylamine, O from carbonyl compound. See, hydroxylamine is converted into oxime. C double bond N, OH is nothing but it is called oxime. Okay, now it is oxime, loss of H2O.
Fine.
Next, semi-carbonate hydrochloride. See, C double bond O, semi-carbonate NH2, NH, C double bond O, NH. Same again, loss with H2O. From semi-carbonate H2, from carbonyl compound O. Semi-carbazone. Simple reactions, these are four. From every molecule, from reactant, which is the last molecule? H2O is a loss. From carbonyl compound, oxygen. From reactants, H2. H2O. From 4 converted into corresponding compound. Hydrazine converted into hydrazone. Phenylhydrazine converted into phenylhydrazone. And hydroxylamine hydrochloride converted into oxime. And semi-carbonate converted into semi-carbazone. Why it is called zone? One means it is carbonyl compound. C double bond is not what? Ketone. One. The name ends with one. This is also name ends with one. Clear?
Okay, sir. Clear, sir.
So this is the first property. See, addition of ammonia and amines. This is the first property. Just you have to write only 4 enough. If 4 rasna enough. Okay? Simple ga. Just you put R for C double bond O is there. So you put R and H, that is aldehyde property. If R, you put that is ketone property. Clear?
No, clear, sir.
So see, Kenny-Jarrow reaction, it is important. They ask so many times in the examination pattern. Kenny-Jarrow reaction. See, simple and short answer as well as chemical property. Aldehydes having no alpha hydrogens. Underline the point. Aldehydes having no alpha hydrogens. Alpha hydrogens lenvi. The compounds which do not have alpha hydrogens. Formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, and trimethyl. Okay, na? Trimethyl formaldehyde undergoes. Okay, na? Then it is called pivalaldehyde. Okay, na? Trimethyl aldehyde is nothing but pivalaldehyde undergoes this reaction. Underline which point is underline? Main important point. Aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen. This is underline point. Adokkade kanipistu chalu. In examination pattern, no alpha hydrogens involved in Kenny-Jarrow reaction. No alpha hydrogens having aldehydes involving Kenny-Jarrow reaction. What is alpha hydrogen? Tell me. Any doubt?
Sir,
Sir,
what is
ఒకసారి
alpha hydrogen అనేది ఏంటో చెప్పండి.
What is alpha hydrogen? So continue. What is alpha hydrogen means? If there is a functional group, is there? What is the functional group? You know that C double bond O is ketone, C double bond OH is aldehyde, OH is alcohol, ROR is ether. So and so functional group are there. 1 minute. See, Kenijaro reaction, no alpha hydrogen is, for example, R C double bond OH. You are observing that aldehyde?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
if functional group is there, the adjacent carbon is aldehyde. The adjacent carbon is alpha carbon. That carbon contain at least one hydrogen. The carbon contain at least one hydrogen. That is alpha carbon. The hydrogen is called alpha hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
See, HC double bond OH. You see the second example. HC double bond OH. Okay, now C double bond OH is a functional group. Adjacent any carbon is there?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No carbon. No carbon. No alpha hydrogens. See the example. And see fourth example. See. CH3, 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 CHO. Pure aldehyde. You are observing?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
CHO is a functional group. Adjacent carbon is there. That is alpha carbon. Any hydrogens?
No hydrogen.
No, sir.
Any hydrogens are there?
No.
All are the bond. That is methyl group. There is no hydrogen. Okay, now just adjacent carbon is alpha. That carbon contain any hydrogen. That is called alpha hydrogen. That alpha hydrogens, there is no alpha hydrogens. The aldehydes are involving in Kenijaro reaction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Aldehydes having no alpha hydrogens are such as formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, and pivalaldehyde undergoes this type of reaction. This reaction, two molecules of aldehydes are involved. Two molecules are involved. One molecule is reduced, one primary alcohol, and another is oxidized. Okay?
Okay, sir.
See, the reaction చూడండి ఒకసారి. Time is completed. Okay. Molecules has oxidized in the carboxylic acid. Okay, na? We are taking as గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, two molecules are taking. Okay, na? Two molecules are taking. Okay, two molecules with no
Yes,
alpha
sir.
hydrogen. Two molecules has no alpha hydrogen. One molecule is oxidized. One molecule is reduced as primary alcohol. Another one is oxidized. Within the reaction, one is reduced. Another one is oxidized. Reduced means
Oxidized.
reduced means addition of oxygen. Antena?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Right? Reduced
Yes.
means
Removal of hydrogen.
addition of hydrogen is reduced.
Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen.
Oxidized means addition of oxygen.
Oxygen. Removal of
Addition of oxygen or removal of. See the reaction. Second reaction, final general reaction. HCHO. We are taking 2 moles. Yes or no?
Yes.
2 moles.
Yes, sir.
In presence of base. In presence of base. Alkali. Okay. ఏం వస్తున్నది? CH3OH. CH3OH. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? CH3OH means
Methanol.
Methanol.
మిథనాల్ ఏమైంది? ఫార్మాల్డిహైడ్ కాస్త మిథనాల్ గా మారింది. అంటే addition of hydrogen take place. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just you see HCHO, not 2 number. You see HCHO converted into CH3OH. How many hydrogens in HCHO? 2. Yes or no? HCHO, how many
Yes,
hydrogens?
HCHO. 2,
Two.
sir.
Okay, 2 hydrogen.
CH3OH?
2, sir. CH2
Four.
hydrogens.
4
hydrogens.
4 hydrogen.
4 hydrogens.
means addition of hydrogens takes place. Means it is reduced. See the line. See the third line. One molecule is reduced as primary alcohol. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kenijaro reaction. See, in this reaction, 2 molecules, aldehydes are involved. One molecule is reduced as the primary alcohol. This is the first molecule. It reduced as a primary alcohol. And second one is oxidized. See, HCHO converted into HCHO. Don't see 2, number 2. HCHO, how many oxygens are there? How
One.
many oxygen?
One.
1. See the
One,
sodium
sir.
formate. How many oxygens are there?
2 oxygen.
2 means it
Two.
is oxidized. And addition of oxygen takes place. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Addition of oxygen takes place. Addition of oxygen takes place. And one is reduced, another one is oxidized. Clear?
Yes, sir.
See the reaction. What you write? Aldehydes having no alpha hydrogens are involving in Cannizzaro reactions. Examples: formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, fuelaldehyde. Okay, na? In this reaction, 2 molecules are involved. 2 aldehydes are involved. One aldehyde reduced as primary alcohol, and second one is oxidized as carboxylic acid laga మారిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా? కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ లాగా కన్వర్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, మాలిక్యూల్ ఆక్సిడైజ్ గా కార్బాక్సిలిక్ కింద చూడండి, కింద పారా చూడండి. మాలిక్యూల్ ఈజ్ ఆక్సిడైజ్డ్ టు ద కార్బాక్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్. Formaldehyde react with alkali to form methanol and sodium formate. Benzaldehyde gives benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. ఓకేనా? సో ఈ విధంగా రియాక్షన్ జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ Cannizzaro reaction. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, Cannizzaro means no alpha hydrogen aldehyde.
Hydrogen
alpha hydrogen aldehyde. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so time is over. We'll continue same time 10:30 tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So are you understanding clear?
Sir, yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, YouTube లో లింక్ పెట్టండి సార్.
Tomorrow, please explain in the board, sir.
What?
Explain in board, sir.
We will?
Board, sir. We are not having the clear idea of the concept, sir.
Okay, okay. Board.
Board, sir.
Okay, board is available. There is no college today. Okay, na? From home, they're telling about. That's why.
Okay.
Clear, understand tomorrow. Okay.
You will write normal text, sir. Text on the notebook, sir.
Okay, now we will write the text, and we have to write with screen share.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So all of you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll start 10:30 tomorrow exactly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
और उसी के साथ साथ अगर आप लोग